Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. Man, it's been such a long time since I have said those words. It's been a long time since I have held my DSLR camera here and I am recording a video. As most of you know, I was gone for about a month. I have been back now for about a week and a half since as of recording, because I was going to record many videos like maybe a week ago, but because I got hit with massive jet lag, there was a good 14-hour difference from where I went to for a good month, and so my whole body and my whole mind changed. So I needed to adjust here back at home, and it has been a struggle to say the least. I've had many headaches and my sleeping schedule is just really bad. Eating schedule as well. So, but I'm on the mend. I'm feeling much better now and it is good to be back. Wanting to get back into it. Wanting to start recording videos again for you guys and get back into crypto mining where it's at, you know? Actually, well, maybe not where it's at. Maybe it's been quite a downtime. I don't know, for the past month, and with the markets going down, it's just been kind of negative and I don't know, pessimistic, but I'm hoping to bring the optimism back. All right, so I truly missed all of you guys. It's been way too long. When I was gone, you know, I had to reflect a bit, like, man, I have been making videos for what, a good past 4 years, almost pretty much every day. If not every day, then I did a live stream or something. And it is something that I realized, man, I really put my heart and soul into this YouTube channel. I've done a lot over the past 4 years. And just to let you guys know, yeah, that 1 month trip I just did, it was great. It was really good to just not do anything. It's not like I didn't do anything. I was with my wife and kid and visiting my wife's family over there, and enjoyed a lot of great food, a lot of good views, just, you know, relaxing with friends and family, and just for myself, you know, kind of recharge. But even during those times, I was, you know, kind of like shaking, you know, because I was so used to making, you know, content or videos every day, and I was always, you know, researching or always doing something, you know, something new at least. So it was a bit hard for me to get out of that habit, you know. It was kind of like an addiction, similar to, you all know, for me, buying GPUs or something, it's very addictive. I think I was at a point where, you know, making content as well was pretty addictive as well, because I was so used to doing it. It was second nature to me. It was pretty easy for me to do something like that. But man, I am glad to be back at it. I'm not glad to be back where everything is still quite a mess as I see it. I just got boxes everywhere. I got GPUs on the ground that I need to finish, which I am determined to really start honing down and getting the projects done. Okay, so my first project is going to be okay, I said before that I wanted to get 2 more server racks and, you know, kind of populate it with some type of, I don't know, more server hardware. of some sort. I thought long and hard during my 1 month off of what I really wanted to focus on, and I decided I am no longer going to get into like, you know, hardcore, like more storage stuff, or I don't know, you know, networking stuff or anything too crazy. So I'm not gonna get into more networking stuff. So I'm not gonna get 2 more racks. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my 2 GPU tower racks here, all right? The mining towers. My 6600 XTs, okay? So I have this is my first 4 6600 XT rigs, okay? Mining cave tower, my first one, which I've had for a long time. I've already done some mining on them already. I'll even show on the screen here of, it hasn't been mining for a while, but I have yielded a bunch of coins for over the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. And I think Neoxa is winning, if you guys can see at the bottom of the screen already. Just taking a simple snapshot. Neoxa has gone up quite a bit compared to the other 3 coins I was mining on these cards, okay? So I want to move this rack to over there. The first tower will be right there. Second tower, all right, I have another 4 6600 XTs. I'm going to build out very shortly here, and I am going to place that tower right there, okay? So I'm gonna have 4 6600 XT rigs, 8 6600 XT rigs right here, all right? And that's going to be there 24/7 forever. It's just gonna mine non-stop. It's gonna mine, I don't know, 8 or 16 different coins. I haven't decided yet. And once I get there, I will document that with you all. And we're gonna keep these rigs on all the way up until the end of I guess whenever the next, not the end, but the start or the middle, the end of the bull run, the next bull run. So we're just gonna accumulate. That's the best time right now to start to, you know, just accumulate coins in hopes of price appreciation, right? It's one of the best times right now to do that, even during this, you know, during this low time. I know right now it is pretty hard with paying the electrical bill out of pocket for some people, and I am actually one of those people recently now, because, you know, you guys know YouTube is my full-time job, and this past month not making videos has pretty much taken a pretty big hit financially for me. So for me to really pay out of pocket, you know, which I pay like a good $3, $4, sometimes $5,000 electric bill a month, it's a lot, right? It's a lot to pay out of pocket, and I'm a huge proponent of, you know, holding the crypto and not selling. So you know, it's hard pressed for me to sell crypto, but you know, I may be doing that pretty soon for, you know, just because of the electric bill. But the way things are, you know, with YouTube right now, and you know, the views, the engagement, I mean, you've all seen it all around. It's just not great, but I'm doing okay overall. It's just because for myself, I've had a pretty crazy past year or 2 with this house. You all know, I've fully renovated this house. I spent probably 3 times the amount of money that I wasn't supposed to. I've budgeted, you know, a good amount of money for it, and then I had to 3 times that over the past year and a half. And so that kind of had to hit into a lot of my, you know, savings and such, and you know, unexpected costs, unexpected this, unexpected that. So many unexpected with this house, right? It's a much older house, and it had to be renovated. And you know, some of you may remember I told the story, I got scammed from my electric install as well, or it wasn't from the installer, it was from the general contractor. I got scammed there, a good, you know, almost 30 grand, which I'm not complaining or anything. It's nothing, no one else's fault but mine. And then just recently on this trip that I went for family, we had to give a good lump sum of about 20 grand to help out family over there, which I was super grateful to do, because, you know, family is family, right? That's number one. And so I've had a lot of, you know, unexpected stuff, you know, I guess bills and expenses, and family stuff is not a bill, but you guys know what I mean. A lot of unexpected over the past year and a half. And so financially things have now been, you know, it's been getting, you know, I'm feeling it now, and I'm gonna have to reevaluate all the things that I have on. I got a lot of hardware on, not only in my new, you know, mining area here, ASICs over there, which, you know, almost 15, 16, 17,000 watts over there, And you know, I'm running a lot in this house, and plus right now this electrical rate at this place is not at where I want it, but I need to utilize about a good 150, 160 amps in order to get that 7 cents electrical rate that I want. But I'd have to show 6 months of usage, 150 amps of that, you know, for 6 months at regular rate, which is quite a lot of money. So that's something I really need to focus on here. I just need to start getting back into YouTube. I need to focus on the business here. I need to focus on everything, getting things up, I guess, and I guess understand what is or could be transpiring for the crypto mining, even for the whole community as a whole. And you know, with crypto and the world, I guess depends on the global market liquidity and such, and how things are. If you know, interest rates are going to start coming back down, then retail investors will start coming back in and start pumping Bitcoin again. You know, all these things I got to start thinking about. I'm sure you guys are thinking about as well. So, you know, it might be imperative for me to start turning on hardware that would be, you know, more efficient in a way that I need to start accumulating for the bull run, essentially. So, yeah, I got a lot of, I just got a lot of stuff to do, and I'm going to be now just determined and focused on doing those things. Okay, I just mentioned a few. I mentioned a lot more in my previous videos. You guys know what I'm doing. So, but I'm just, guys, only said a few because I'm gonna focus on that stuff first. Do one thing at a time. Really gotta get my vast.ai rig up, and yeah, have some fun with that. You guys just saw recently I did the X5 live stream. That was a lot of fun. Okay, but anyways, guys, I just wanted to make this video that, yeah, I'm back. I'm more determined than ever. I'm more bullish on crypto mining. I'm back at it, bros. I'm gonna be working hard, getting all this up, and I really appreciate everyone who's stuck around. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Peace out. Yes, don't worry. The 20 GPU rig attempt is coming, okay? That'll be after, okay? It's gonna be after my 6600 rigs install, okay? I swear to God, I swear to God.